need to go to college. Me, I see it all on TV.
Some kids like to see you dance, and some kids go to Beard's Grand Club, others visit Washington, D.C.
I don't learn a single thing because I can download anything. It's all on my computer for free.
Cheer up, Charlie. Give me a smile. What happened to the smile I used to know? Don't you know your grin has always been my sunshine? Let that sunshine show.
Come on, Charlie, no need to frown. Deep down you know tomorrow is your toy. When the days get heavy, never pick a paddle.
And tap someday.
And you are just a bar of chocolate, no different from the rest. On the other hand, you're the superstar of chocolate, the golden key to Willy Wonka's treasure chest. Whichever you are, I'm hoping for the best. Think positive.
Oh my gosh.
Positive.